My name is Jennifer Gall, and I'll be covering why we should romanticize our life. Navigating through life can be really challenging. From day one, we're expected of so many things, and through every stage of life, you're expected of more. It can be really hard to not constantly focus on the future ahead of us. We're expected to work 9 to 5s, go home, sleep, wake up, and repeat. But instead of spending time despising the system that we live in, we can take control of the things that we can and gain a sense of agency. There's a thrill in romanticizing your life. You're appreciating life for everything it has to offer, and you're finding beauty in everything around you. Without it, every day is a repeat of the last day. Now, there is a misconception of the term romanticizing yourself. Some people think that we are navigating the world wearing rose-tinted glasses, that we're glamorizing negative things with negative impacts like drugs, alcohol, or abusive relationships. But that's not what it is. We're exploring mindfulness. We're taking control of what we can. We're becoming aware of physical sensations, thoughts, and emotions. We're becoming in tune with ourselves. You might be thinking, why would I romanticize my life? Since day one, you are all you have. Every day, you are the main character in your story. Nobody else is going to have you as their main character. You are a side character. So why not spend every day appreciating yourself and the things around you? When I wake up in the morning, I get out of bed. I go outside with my dog. I make myself a cup of coffee and I sit out there. I listen to the birds chirp. I watch the clouds move and the wind blow the leaves on the tree. I listen to the cars drive by. These are all things that I am paying attention to stay in the present moment. That's what you want. You want to be present. You don't want to be constantly thinking about the past or the future. Being present is taking control of your life. Now, romanticizing your life has a direct connection to self-love and confidence. Some people find it really hard to get out of bed in the morning, to brush their teeth, to take a shower, to go to work. These are all things that might seem small to somebody else, but it can be a really big task for somebody. When you romanticize your life, you're finding beauty in every task, no matter how small it is, because life is full of small things. Waking up in the morning can be a task. But when you have something to look forward to, like brushing your teeth, for example, it gives you a reason to get up. Now, brushing teeth can be an annoying task. It can be hard to complete sometimes. But when you're brushing your teeth, you're taking care of your body. You're taking care of your soul. Same thing with taking a shower. When you're going to work, you're gaining social connection with other people. When you come home, now you get alone time again. Maybe you have family that you can spend time with. Romanticizing those small things is what keeps life going. Now you might be wondering, how can I do that? I don't have money to go plan a trip to Italy. I can't romanticize a trip. I don't have enough time or money to have extravagant plans every day. That's not what it's about. You could go to the Dollar General and you could buy some celebration decorations for no reason. When you do things that make you happy, you get a boost of serotonin. Serotonin increases your satisfaction, your happiness, and your optimism. When you do that, you are boosting your soul and you are in tune with yourself. You could also do this by spending time outside or doing things that you love. Pick up a hobby. Maybe you like to go on a walk. When you're walking, take a look around you. Don't just look forward, look everywhere. Look up and look to the sides. You will notice more things around you when you are present in the moment. That's what life is. You are present and you are finding beauty in everything. In conclusion, there are things in life that we have control over, and there's things that we don't have any choice in. When navigating life, it's important to embrace the beauty of it. It directly correlates to your happiness, your satisfaction, and your optimism in life. It'll increase your confidence and it'll give you more self-love. This is why romanticizing your life is extremely important.